So David, I'm a first-time investor. I want to buy my first investment property. Can you walk me through what I need to know?
Well, first you got to start with a plan, right? So I think at the end of the day, as a first-time investor, you got to figure out your goals. Are you going to buy one property, or are you looking to buy multiple properties over a period of time? As you identify that plan and how many properties you want to acquire, then we got to take a look at all the lenders that are available to you today. What lenders can finance you today, and what lenders we're going to need later on to finance your future properties. And make sure we use them in the right order, because lender policies are uniquely different based on how much real estate you own and how much rental income you earn versus your personal income. Once we have that put together, then it's really taking action. It's getting the right realtor in place, identifying the properties that meet your goals and objectives through cash flow or appreciation, and getting you pre-qualified with all those lenders that you need at the early stages, and making sure that we understand exactly as you progress what's modifying, what's changing, and updating your portfolio and your plan so that you can meet those goals.
Okay, good. Thanks for the advice.